Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Amazing Crochet and Gospel. Thanks for joining. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet this beautiful and amazing crochet blanket. Easy for beginners and it's easy and very simple for everyone should do. You can do it, okay? So let's start. Thanks. Stay tuned and enjoy. So make your knot. We are going to make chain 20. Yes, chain 20, and we are going to start our crocheting. So what we are going to do, yarn over and you skip 3 and start crocheting in each row. Continue till you get to the end of the row, okay? Just like this, you walk it till you get to the end of the row. Let me see at the end of the row. Yes, this is our first row of crochet. Yeah, this is our first one, okay? So this is, so now we have, yes, we are done with our first row. We are working on our second row now. Make chain 3, you can see, yeah, yarn over and skip 4. 1 2 3 4. Yes, so make a crochet and make 3 chain, yarn over, add it in the same position, that is 2 double crochet in one position. Make your 2 double crochet in one position, yarn over, count 4. Yes, start crocheting right there. Yeah, make your chain 3, yarn over and put it in the same position, that is 2 double crochet. That is 2 double crochet. As you can see, that is what you are doing. Yarn over again, 1 2 3 4. Yeah, that is the right place. Yarn over, walk through, make chain 3, 1 2 3, yarn over in the same position, take it out, yarn over, count 4. Yes, that is 4. So it will remain, yarn over again and make your chain 3, 1 2 3. You can see, add it in the same position, that is 2 double crochet in one place. Yes, yarn over. As you can see how it looks like. You skip 4, yarn over, it remain, yarn, that is, make 1 crochet at the end of it. That is the end of it right here. Make your crochet. That is, we are done with our second row now. So we are going to work on our third row. Make chain 3. This is our third row right here. Yeah, turn your work. Make your first, just the same thing. Make chain 3, Add it in the same position in the same hole. That is 2 double crochet in each of it. You can see this is 2 double crochet, yarn over, add it in the next. This is what you continue doing till you get to the end of our 3rd row. Yarn over, add it in the same position. That is 2 double crochet in 1 hole. Yes, we are making 2 double crochet in 1 hole right here. Yarn over, add it in the next of it. That is single crochet and make your 3 ring and work on it. So this is our 3rd row that we are working on our 3rd row now. As you can see, it's very easy for everyone. Everyone can do it. Easy for the beginners and for everyone. Okay. So that is our last. At the end of it, we make single crochet. That is 1. You make 1 and return. That is our 3rd. That is our 3rd row. So yeah, this is our 3rd row right here. So now we are going to the 4th one. Make chain 3. See right there is 2 double crochet and yarn over. Make your single crochet, chain 3, yarn over. That is 2 double crochet, this is how you keep on working it till you get to the end of it. It's very easy for everyone to do. Yes, these are blankets. You can do as big as you want yours to be. You can start it with you can start just with big chain. You can add chain to yours, okay? That is the end part of it. That is the end part of it. So now I want to do just as we do our chain, just like when we start. So now this is the big one that we've already made. You see, this is the big blanket. Now it's time for you to make your crochets all over on top of it, so that it will rhyme with the way we first started. Make your crochet all over. You have to make your single crochet, single crochet, single crochet. See the same thing that we are still doing at the top of it. So we see you at the end of the part. Let me see you at the end of it. Single crochet, single crochet. That is how you finish yours. Okay, please like and subscribe to this channel. Let me see your comment at the comment section. Okay, thanks for watching. I really appreciate every one of you. Thanks for joining. Bye. One, two, three, four, five. Thanks for watching. Bye.